home back from work and I am excited to start my weekend. However, right now I am starving and I wish to have something that is tasty and filling but also healthy at the same time. Right now I feel tired. That also means that the recipe that I am going to prepare should be easy and quick. Quite a challenge. But you know what? I have something in my mind. I'm going to prepare gluten-free, vegan, healthy snack. Basically, I am going to prepare besan chilla taco or chickpea veg taco. Sounds great, right? Hello everyone, welcome to my channel VIDYA'S Ideas. If you're new here, then don't forget to smash that subscribe button. Also hit that bell icon to receive all the updates. As I'm starving, I don't want to delay this anymore, so let's get started. For my filling, I'm going to use frozen mixed vegetables. You can also use fresh vegetables. I have finely chopped half piece of onion and half piece of tomato, lettuce. I have also grated 2 cloves of garlic. For binding my filling, I will be using fresh hummus. To spice up my filling, I'm going to use chili powder, cumin seeds, fennel seeds, chaat masala, garam masala powder, and salt to taste. To make my taco wrap, I'm going to use 1 cup of besan or gram flour and knead it into a dough. Add a pinch of salt. Slowly start adding water to knead this into a tight dough. Be very careful as you add the water. We really don't need a runny consistency. We need the consistency of a tight dough. Try to work with the moisture as much as possible. I feel this a bit sticky, so I'm going to pour some oil. I'm using olive oil. Our dough is ready. Let's cover this and keep this aside. Let it sit for a while as we prepare our filling. Heat a pan. Add 1 teaspoon of olive oil. Add cumin seed and fennel seeds. Stir it. Add garlic. Saute for half a minute. Add onions. Saute the onions till translucent. This is turning aromatic. Add the chopped tomatoes. Cook it till the tomatoes turn soft. Add your choice of mixed vegetables. Add a dash of water. Now it's time to add my spice powders. Chili powder, a pinch of chaat masala powder and the garam masala powder. My filling is ready and I will keep it aside to cool it down. As the filling cools down, let's prepare the taco wrap. Now this is less sticky and has the right consistency to be rolled. I'm going to make 3 balls. For dusting, I'm going to use some gram flour or the chickpea flour or besan. As there is less gluten, you can expect it to crack as we are rolling it. I'll try my best to get a perfect round shape. I'll keep this aside. I'm going to brush some olive oil and cook the wrap for my taco. Ensure to frequently keep flipping it when you start seeing these small boils. Cook both the sides evenly. This is done. Remove into a plate. Our cooked taco wraps are ready. Our taco wraps filling has cooled down. Now for it to bind well, I'm going to mix it with hummus. I'm also going to add some salt to taste. Looks yummy. Let's start wrapping our taco. Spread it across the center. Spread some lettuce and fold it. Our besan chilla taco or chickpea veg taco is ready. My delicious gluten-free, vegan and healthy snack is ready. I'm going to enjoy mine. It seems like Milo wants it. No, Milo, you cannot have it. Hope you enjoyed this video. See you soon. Until then, Vidya, signing off.